Garford Farm Machinery is a world-recognized farm and manufacturing company that specializes in designing and developing customized robo-crop in-row weeders. The robo-crop in-row weeder uses video cameras and image analytics to locate crop and position itself so that it could weed your beds without disturbing your crop, which is why Willsie Equipment Sales works directly with them, because we share the same values. So if you're interested in any Garford equipment, please contact one of our sales representatives and we could provide you with all the information.